Hello guys, I'm Billy and this is my YouTube channel. I'm sure this is your first time to stop over, so kindly subscribe and share these videos if you like them. I'll be doing hair trends, so welcome to my channel.
I'll start by undoing my hair,
which was initially done by
or
my
unplaiting my hair
sister.
because it was plaited
So this time my
initially.
sister will also be helping me to
Unplaiting your
undo my
hair, you
hair.
can use
Undoing your hair,
basically
you can
anything that
use
can
a
pierce
toothpick,
through your hair,
a comb,
like a
or
toothpick,
a
a
needle,
comb,
but
a
I
needle.
wouldn't recommend a needle
But
because of the
I
safety
wouldn't comment.
precautions.
I
So
wouldn't.
my sister there helps me to undo my hair. Initially I'd plaited some zigzag lines, but for your entertainment I just had to record everything, like from the undoing of my hair to everything, like every procedure. So we'll just watch it. There she's almost finishing undoing my hair. So after undoing your hair you have to wash it, then dry it. You can use any shampoo, any soap you wish. So my hair is already washed and already dried, so my sister there helps me also to plait my hair. This time I chose simple lines for you because I thought of starting with something simple so that you also can feel comfortable with it. So there we go, my simple lines, plain lines actually. She's doing it. She's my elder sister though. I just had to say that, but it's okay. So she's plaiting me right now. For you to see how the style will be, you have just to watch this video to the end because it's almost ending. Then I would love you to comment what you think about my style and everything, your suggestions, just anything you want to say. You can comment, do anything you want. So let's wait just a bit, then we'll see how my style comes out. You guys will also act like my mirror. You'll be telling me like, is it cool? Is it is it too gross? Is it? You will decide on what comment according to what you see. So there, it's almost ending. She's doing it, so you can already have a glimpse of how my style is looking. So you can comment and tell me what you think about my style. But let you see, there it is. She's done doing it. Yeah, that is the side view, the front, and yeah, that is my hair.